Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by forcing Windows into the recovery environment so you can act. Once you see WinRe, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. You're doing this to bypass the failed automatic repair loop and run targeted fixes. If Command Prompt won't open, insert a USB installer, boot it, and choose Repair Your Computer instead. Make sure to note your system drive letter inside WinRe because it can differ from C. That's important for the next steps. Now you'll check disk health and repair corrupt boot files so Windows can start normally. First, run chkdsk with /f/r on your Windows volume to fix bad sectors. This can take time. Once done, run bootrec commands to rebuild the master boot record and write a fresh boot sector. Then use System File Checker offline with the /offbootdir and /offwindir switches to repair core Windows files. These steps restore integrity and the correct boot chain. Once finished, try restarting to see if the loop is gone. Finish by attempting a system restore or a reset while keeping files if repairs didn't fix the loop. If the problem persists, disconnect all peripherals and update BIOS or UEFI firmware because firmware issues can trigger repair failures. Before any reset, backup user data using Command Prompt or a Linux USB so you won't lose files. If you still see automatic repair failed, consider reinstalling Windows from a clean installer. This is the last resort, but usually resolves deep system corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.